good life riders, welcome back for a motorcycle therapy Thursday. We're changing our motorcycle mental health Mondays to motorcycle therapy Thursday. And I wanted to talk to you all as I gave you a wonderful ride to the Ormond Loop. If you don't know anything about the Ormond Loop, do a little search about it. But this is coming into the Ormond Loop. Excuse me. Look at that beautiful lake. Kind of towards the middle. Stay over there, buddy. This is Pine Tree Drive and gives you a little bit of a viewpoint of what it looks like riding into the loop and what the loop looks like. So I wanted to bring you out on this. This is one of my most favorite roads to ride on. This is actually a road that will flood sometimes during the heavy rain season of Florida. But what I want to talk to you about today is how motorcycles, we're going to kind of start a series talking about the value that motorcycles has brought to me therapy-wise and just helping me mentally in, probably the last 5-6 years. And one of the aspects that motorcycling has helped me with and why I value riding so much is just how aware and alert it makes me. You know, you can ride in a car and there's something about that fact of being in the car that you feel the safety, that you let your guard down. There's never been a time period that I have felt safe enough on a motorcycle to let my guard down. Generally, it heightens my senses. That being said, one also thing that it helps me to do is to daily be thankful for, one, the area that I live, and even when I live where it's cold now, when I would get to go out and ride, that thankfulness and finding how to be thankful in difficult situations and to try to always find the positive through difficult situations, I think has helped me a lot through all of life. There are always things in life that we can take in a negative manner, whether it's how people treat us, how we've grown up, difficulties that we've had at work, or with the loss of business, or anything, that we can turn our health, that we can turn onto a negative and allow us to go down a dark road of wallowing in difficult circumstances. But I totally feel like being thankful and learning how to be thankful for everything that God gives us, the beauty all around us, the fact that, like my friend Terry, who was just in a recent motorcycle accident, he's finding the thankfulness that he's still alive and that God's helping him through all of his injuries, and that he can go out within a couple of weeks. What is it? Been about 3 weeks now since he had his accident, and he's getting ready to be let out. So, finding thankfulness in the things, in every situation, trying to find something positive. Surely, I believe, helps one with your mental health, and two, it helps you to see that life isn't as bad as it could be. There's always somebody who has something worse, or a situation that's worse. There's always people who have situations that are better. But that doesn't mean that there's not something that you can learn from your situation. That can be positive. So, that being said, I hope you enjoyed this little ride with me. This is a beautiful ride and a beautiful place to be. And I just wanted to share it with you. So hopefully you enjoyed it. And until next time, keep the sunny side up, keep the rubber side down. Have an utterly awesome day.